I think as I've spent time being a wilderness therapist, I have learned that doing things that are really challenging is the best way to grow and learn. Matt, Dan, and I have been working as a team my entire career since I started Wilderness, so I guess 18 years. I choose to work in Wilderness because of the power of nature. I think the ability that nature has to make us look deeply at ourselves, and nature doesn't allow us to hide from our issues. Yeah, the horses definitely have brought us closer as a family because we spend so much time together. Even if my son doesn't like it, it's family time and he loves the family time. I think the thing I've learned the most from horses is to let things go. They're really good at having a moment and then moving on and not lingering on it. Well, I think Star Guides is the option if a family is struggling with their kid because it's the most effective treatment that I've ever experienced.